Hi, it's James here. Happy New Year, 2018. It's going to be a massive year this year. Really looking forward to some exciting developments. And I wanted to give you a Christmas present. I don't know that you might not have realised that there's been an update that was just posted around Christmas time. So it's been there for nearly a couple of weeks now, but that a lot of customers have asked us for this particular feature and we've now implemented it. So what it is if you go into any list, and with these lists here, you'll see that I've got 25 records displayed. So I can change it to 10 or 50. So if I set it to 10 and I go somewhere else and I come back, it will actually be set to 10 records. If I change it to 25, for example, and I go, somewhere else, it will actually stick at that 25. So as you can see, it's just a small update, but a lot of people have asked us for that kind of functionality. This will work in any of these lists. So here, for example, you've got 10 records. I can make that 50 and I can leave it as 50. And, if I go somewhere else and I come back to customers, those customers will be listed as the 50 records again. So, and that will stay log out, log back in. It will just keep those settings for until you change it, which is really cool. So small update, little Christmas present for you. Just want to let you know again, welcome back to 2018. It's going to be an awesome year, and we'll keep these updates coming and new and exciting improvements. So thanks for watching. Take care.